Welcome back to Fanling Finds, and today we have the Shark TurboBlade fan. And I don't think I've ever been this excited to test out a fan. This has some really cool features on it, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what all comes inside here. First thing it comes with is gonna be the quick start guide here. It also comes with a remote, and that remote comes with 2 Duracell batteries. Those are gonna be AAA's. This box is going to be for the pole and the blades, and this is going to be the main fan unit. I will say this main base is a little bit wider than I thought it would be. It's not super heavy. It does have a nice little handle on the back here. I do like that. The cord looks to be about 6 foot. We can test that out here in just a second. I'm about 6 foot, so I would say that's pretty much right on. We'll grab the pole and the blades here. Now, I have not read any reviews on this or anything like that. I want to come in fresh. I don't really know a whole lot about it. I just want to get a first-time user experience with this, and I'm going to attempt to put it together without even having the instructions out. So it looks like the parts are labeled. This is labeled C. This one's labeled B. This is labeled A. So I assume you're going to do from A to B to C. So if you look on the top here, this is going to be the lock mechanism in here. This is going to be the fan that actually blows out. And then if you open this up, you can see inside here, right there is where the cyclone action basically happens. That snaps in very easily. So now let's go ahead and put on our first blade. And it just basically has these little ridges here, and you turn these into the slot. So you start with putting it in the open slot and you just turn it clockwise to get it to snap into place, just like that. For this blade, you have a red mark here and a red mark here. You want to basically just line those up with these red marks here, and that just snaps into place. All right, now that we got it unboxed and all put together, I'm going to go over a couple of the features here. So the main thing that I really liked about this when I seen it was that I can adjust the blades either to go vertical or horizontal, and then I can also adjust these to go up or down. So I really like the flexibility of this, and I'm gonna use it like this. I got this specifically for putting on the edge of my bed, so I'm actually gonna put this at the foot of my bed, and then I'm gonna aim it up towards me, and I do like that I can adjust these so I know that it's hitting the right way. It also comes with a really nice remote. We have it plugged in. We'll go ahead and turn it on. A couple different things here. You have a ton of different power levels. So this is going to be the lowest here, and it's just pushing out just a really small amount of air. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it up high. But before I do that, I want you to kind of hear how quiet this is. So there, it's off. And there it's on low. Now keep in mind that I have a mic right next to it, so it's going to sound a little bit louder than what it does. You probably can't even hear it now, but we'll go ahead and turn it up to high. That's going to be the highest setting there, but that is pushing out a ton of air. It's a little bit loud, I'm not going to lie, but it's not as loud as some of those, you know, big box fans or those circle fans that you get. It's still gonna be quieter than those. But again, I really like this feature here because, like, let's say I'm sitting in my chair and I want the air to hit my whole body. I have this whole length of this to be able to hit from pretty much my head all the way down to my legs. So really nice feature there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down a little bit. And another thing I really like about this is the fact that you can raise and lower this. So let's say you have a little bit taller bed or a shorter bed, you can raise it or lower it in order to cover you exactly how you need to. Another nice thing, it oscillates, so I can set this to oscillate anywhere from 45 all the way up to 180 degrees, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So you hit it once and it's going to go 45 degrees. You hit it again, it's going to go 90 degrees. Then if I hit it again, it'll go a full 180 degrees. So let's say you have company over, you can set this out in the middle of the room, and regardless of where they're sitting, maybe they're in a U shape, it'll be able to hit everybody. There's also a couple timer modes on here. This will go anywhere from an hour all the way up to 12 hours. So basically for me, I like that feature because I get about 6 hours of sleep. I can set it for 8. And then it'll automatically shut off. So I don't have to worry about if I get up and get ready in the morning, going and turning this off, it'll automatically turn itself off. I don't have to worry about it. You also have a couple other modes here. So there's gonna be a night mode, which will bring it down super low, super quiet. Still gonna push out a little bit of air, but on the night mode, I would recommend having it fairly close to you to be able to cool you down properly. And then you also have a turbo mode, and that's just gonna basically full blast right at you. And then you have a natural mode. So the natural mode is really cool because it's gonna mimic like wind. So it's gonna start out like kind of soft, it's gonna go up a little bit, and then it's gonna come back down, and it's just gonna kind of vary in between there. So I really like that feature. Let's say you don't want it to oscillate, but you do want to turn it, and let's say you're all the way across the room, but you have the remote, and you want to pinpoint this on you. Let's say it was pinpointed on somebody else that was maybe in a different chair, and now you want to turn it. You just hit the button and it'll just move a little bit at a time until it's pointed at you. So super convenient, really easy to use. And honestly, that's going to be pretty much everything about this fan, and I hope this kind of give you an idea of what you would expect out of something like this. If you're looking to purchase one of these, I do have an affiliate link down below where I do earn a little bit of commission if you do buy it. But other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.